Hey guys, it's Alex from E&S Academy. So as you all know, I teach the online medical front office administration and the online medical billing and coding class. Both of those classes can be done 100% from home. People have asked me, what tips, what tricks do you have for working from home? So I figured if I'm going to make this video, I'm going to choose no better place than my home office. So let's just get right to it. Tip or trick number one, all these tips and tricks are going to be for both working from home and doing school from home. So tip and trick number one, remember you're at work. Even though you're at home, remember you are at work. You have a job to do. If you're working, your boss trusted you enough to get a job done, to hire you, and now your boss is trusting you even more to give you the opportunity to work from home and get the job done from home. So just remember you are at work. It might be easy to get distracted, but get back on task. Tip number two, don't go outside your hours. If your hours are set from 9 to 5 with a break at noon or at 1 for lunch, stick to that 9 to 5 hour. Stick to that break time hour. It's real easy to cut your break short or to go longer, what have you. But if you have that 9 to 5 routine set, stick to that 9 to 5. Tip or trick number three, create a routine. Create a routine to get you into the habit, to get you into that work mode or that school mode. For me, since high school, it has always been wake up, take a shower, and have breakfast. Working from home, it's wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, and then I go to my office. That is my opening up routine. Have a closing down routine as well. For me, 20 minutes before 5 o'clock, so around 5:40, I'm sending a daily list to my boss. I'm letting him know what I did do, what I attempted to do, what I'm going to save to do for tomorrow as far as prioritizing goes. Um, 10 minutes away from 5 o'clock. I'm setting up or cleaning up my office area. It is a shared space, so I do clean up. I try to clean it up as best as I can for the next person to use for whatever reason. Tip and trick number four, create rules. If you are working from home, you might have family around. Let them know that you're going to be working. For me, you can see in the background the doors are closed. My family knows I'm here with family. My family knows if the doors are closed, don't even knock. Now, once I open the door for whatever reason, they know that those rules no longer apply. Rule number five, or tip and trick number five, use your full break time. If you have a half-hour break time, use that half-hour break time to the full amount. You are working from home, and it is hard to separate work and home, especially when you are working from home. So use that full break time. Doesn't matter if it's for lunch. If you finish lunch 15 minutes early, watch a little bit of TV. To finish off that break, I usually set up an alarm. I get a half-hour break. I set an alarm up for 28 minutes. So that way I know once it's 28 minutes, I need to start cleaning up and going back to my office. Take a break from home. Tip number six, you're going to be at home. If you're working full time, you might be working that 9 to 5, what have you. Go outside, take a walk, enjoy the backyard, enjoy the balcony, something. Take a break from home. You are going to need it. Tip trick number seven, create an office space. Keep an office space just for work. Um, I cannot state that enough. If you work from your room, have a desk set up. If you're lucky enough to have a home office, work from that home office. Don't be working from the kitchen or from the living room because the last thing that you want to do is mix home and work. I love my job, but I try not to do my work where I do my daily living, my activities of daily living. Why? Because then I'm going to think of work. I'm going to think, oh man, I need to get in contact with this student, or I didn't grade that assignment. Try to separate everything you can, but keep it together. Tip trick number 8, show up for meetings. Yes, they are going to be virtual meetings. No big deal. Show up, make your voice known, do what you need to do to be in that meeting. Tip trick number 9, take advantage. You're working from home, take advantage. For me, as soon as I grade maybe 10, 12 assignments, I go to the fridge and get a snack. It boosts my positivity, boosts productivity, honestly. I'm not thinking about, okay, what next? Why am I doing this? No, I'm thinking, man, I have 2 assignments left to get. Uh, then I'm gonna go get, either a piece of candy, uh, fruit, tangerine, something. Take advantage. You have so many things going on working from home that now you don't need to pack your lunch. When you take your break, you have the fridge right there. You have the microwave, you have the oven, things that you didn't have at work. Um, you have everything you need to take advantage. Uh, I don't know, work outside if you can. If you have the laptop Wi-Fi and you need to type something up, do it outside. Take advantage of your surroundings. Uh, Tip trick number 10. If you take advantage, you're going to stay positive. So stay positive is that tip trick number 10. Do what you can to stay positive. And tip trick 11, communicate. Communication, it's all about communication. Let your boss know what you need. Let your coworkers know what you need. Let them know what you're doing. And everything's going to run as smooth as possible.